At Misericordia, our academics are strong and competitive, but it's the people who truly bring them to life. Today, our medical imaging team is sharing real stories, insights, and what makes this program stand out.
My favorite part about working with Misericordia students is definitely the hands-on experience in the labs and in the clinical experiences as well, where they're having and putting together everything that they learn in the classroom setting and bringing it together in the clinical setting, being able to be a part of that experience, providing instruction in the clinical setting, and seeing those aha moments where everything comes together for them. I also think that I enjoy working with them. I'm the advisor for the Medical Imaging Club, so working with them in that regard too, doing some service community projects together, getting to know them on a different level outside of the classroom.
I love to see the growth in the students, and it's really satisfying to see that when they first come in, they have zero knowledge of much and very little relationship between different things that they do know, and to see all of it come together. And to suddenly see this critical thinking outcome where they've been able to take basic memorized information and apply it in real life. Love that.
Yeah, and it's the same thing. It's the growth. When you see them, as freshmen, and I teach them as freshmen, you know, in the intro course, and they're all wide-eyed and have no idea what's happening. And you know, by the time you see them as a sophomore, they start to get more polished, and then as a junior, and then when they're a senior, they're just these polished professionals. And it's like watching one of your children grow up, you know. And it warms your heart to see how far they've come.
There's not much more to add to that. I mean, we all, I guess, have the same, sense of pride and seeing them grow. I don't teach freshmen, but when I do get them as sophomores, I like to see the different diversity of the students, and they learn quickly their background. They come from so many different places, and I enjoy the newness of seeing a new class all the time and then being able to follow them through graduation.
Definitely come to campus, come visit campus, walk around campus, sit in on some medical imaging classes. Meeting the professors, I think, is really important. Talking to medical imaging students, getting some feedback from them as well, some advice, some tips, and seeing what their thoughts are.
I would say know your anatomy. Do a little bit of prep in that respect, that will serve them well in the classes and that I teach anyway, so that would be incredibly helpful. And also, I agree with Lynn that campus really makes it, and I've seen changes over the years, and it is lovely. It is just a beautiful place to be.
So many opportunities in the field of medical imaging. So if you're choosing to come in to medical imaging, you might be thinking, oh, I really just like X-ray. But I need you to know that there's so much more to that. There's growth opportunities, maybe to be an educator in the future, maybe to go into an advanced modality, maybe to do sales. So know that if you're coming into medical imaging, that you're coming into a major that really gives you opportunity for growth in so many different directions once you graduate. So it's something to keep in mind. It's an ever-changing field, so it always keeps your job exciting.
And we have 2 labs, and students can practice in one that's non-energized, which means it doesn't shoot any radiation, and the other one is energized. So they get a good basis of practice here on campus before they even go out to the clinical setting. So wherever they go, whatever program they're looking at, they should be looking at a baccalaureate level degree for the possibility of future advancement, and also that it is an accredited program. And I would recommend making sure that it has an energized lab, and we have all of that.
Have several that come to mind, but one in particular graduated many, many years ago. I don't even know what year. But this particular student took advantage of the resources on campus for assistance academically, and was able to put all the pieces together in order to be successful both in all of the academic classes on campus within the major. Graduated and went on to work now in a research facility in MR. So that is a testament to drive and taking advantage of the opportunities that are here at Misericordia for the students.
This one was a hard question for me because I've been here so long and there's so many different individuals. But in general, to echo some of the things that were said today, I can think of a student, in fact, I just had an email from her on Monday, and she updated me to tell me she's working, and she went on to radiation therapy, which a lot of our students go on to advanced modalities, become certified in those areas as well. So we're the stepping stone for that. And you can start here at Misericordia. But she is working in a very prestigious facility at Cornell. And in addition to her radiation therapy, she was asked to teach. And so I think of a lot of the students that went on to pursue higher education, master's degrees, or advanced certifications. And multiple students, former students, are back here teaching for us, either full-time or part-time as adjuncts, and or they've gone on to be very successful in whatever it is that they're doing. And so that's just a joy to see that they're happy and they've pursued what they wanted to pursue and they've advanced and they're just moving on, which is what we want them to do, is be better.